If you are a mom and you want to start working and bringing some extra income into your family, you should watch this video. Today, I will share with you 7 different reasons why you should work from home. When you work from home, you set up your goals on how much money do you want to make. You also put your own rates and you choose your own schedule. Starting a business requires of learning new things. And to be competitive, you must educate yourself and also learn the new trends in your business. And the first one is you have control of your schedule. This is one of the biggest benefits that you get from working from home. You can decide that you want to work from 7 to 1. You can work from 6 to 6. As a childcare owner, I'm able to decide what time do I want to open, what time do I want to close. The second reason why I chose to work from home is because I can make money doing something that I like. And you can also turn your passion into income. I love to be a mom. I love to take care of my daughter. I can also take care of other kids. I can still watch my daughter and I can also make money and I can build a business from home. The third reason why I chose to work from home is because I have more time to pursue personal goals. Maybe in your previous job, you didn't have time for nothing. But I want to tell you that when I came to the US, I couldn't teach and I couldn't be a nurse. Why? Because I had to go back to school. I couldn't do that because I had to learn a second language, in this case English, which took me 6 years. But thanks to my new business from home, which is a childcare, I'm able to go back to school. And I'm so close to get my degree in child development. And if I can do it, you can do it. The fourth reason why I decided to work from home is because I can control my income. I can say how much money I want to make. So in this business, you can decide if you want only to have a small childcare or you want to have a large childcare. In my case, I do have a large childcare. So I can watch 14 kids at the same time with one assistant. You can decide how much you want to make. You can just watch 8 kids by yourself and get all the income for you and your family. Or if you want to extend your business, you can open a large childcare and watch 14 children with one assistant. When you have a control of your income, you are able to pay more of your credit cards. And if you save enough money, you can also change your hours. If you see that you are not making enough, you can do something that I did in the past. I open 24 hours. I open Saturday and Sunday, like Monday through Friday, and on top weekends, and on top overtime. It was a lot of work. It was very overwhelming in many times, not just for myself, and also it was overwhelming for my family because we didn't have no family time. But at the same time, I was able to pay a lot of my credit cards, a lot of my debt, because I was able to control how much money I want to make. At one point, what I did is I decided, you know what, family is more important to me. So I have also to balance between work and my family. And reason number 5, one of the reasons why I decided to work from home and be a childcare provider. No more commute for me. No more traffic, no more stress for the long hours of driving. The good thing of this business is when your last child goes home, you are done. You don't have to drive for 30 minutes, 1 hour. You are done. You are already at home. Now you can do anything you please. And that is one of the biggest reasons why you should work from home. I'm done with work. My last child just left and I'm out. Reason number 6 why you should work from home are the tax benefits that you get for working from home. You can write off a portion of your house. Like me, 55% of my whole house belongs to my childcare. And for that reason, I can deduct my expenses. And if you do the math, you're gonna see that I'm able to deduct way more. Some of you probably only want a 10% of your house to be dedicated to your childcare. But keep in mind that more you give, the more deduction you are gonna get. Tax deduction that you get are, you can deduct your bills, like for example utilities. If you do a remodelation, if you do a change in your house, you can also deduct. You can also deduct food and anything that you buy for your kitchen, a percent of that. Any like home maintenance that you do for your house, you can also deduct. There are so many other ones that you can deduct if you are a home daycare. Another thing that I really like, and this is number 7 and also my last one, you have the control on how you dress. Keep in mind in how you look and also to show that you are a professional. There are many ideas that I did in one of my first videos, I remember. So check my video for ideas on how a childcare provider should dress. Today I covered 7 reasons why you should work from home. And one of them is that you can control your schedule. You can also do something that you like and get paid from home. You can also pursue personal goals. Number 4, you have a control on how much you want to make. Number 5 reason, no more commute, no more traffic. Number 6, you get a lot of deductions. And number 7, you get to control how you dress. Remember, as a business owner and working from home has so many benefits. So it's so important to educate yourself, learn about new trends and techniques, and be always open to new changes. I hope you really like this video. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, you get alerts so you won't miss my next video. This is the end of this video, and I just wanted to say Hasta pronto. See you soon. Thank you for watching.